Hey folks, so one of y'all out there, which we can't figure out who it is, and I'll talk about that in a second, but one of y'all sent a big huge box from Amazon, and it got to the village no problem, and they called us and said, hey, you got a big box here, it looks like a bunch of towels. Oh, I thought you said it was towels. But we don't know who to thank. I'll have to go back through my emails and see if any of y'all sent an email that I didn't read. But there's nothing on the box. It just says it comes from Amazon, and there's a small piece of paper in there. It says something about Amazon. But we have searched the box, and we can't find any paperwork to say we don't know who to thank. Anyhow, without further ado, let's go ahead and get the kids over here. Baby, let's get everybody around the box here. And we'll do an unboxing of this first package that's arrived since we posted our address. What you got there for us, G?
A toy?
What you got there, buddy?
Open! Open, please, open!
Come on, Maria, get in there. Get in
Open,
there.
Maria.
Open it up.
Open!
Calamansi, get over there. Get in there, Grandma.
Wow! Gunting Jin. Guntingan nito? Wow!
What you got for us, G?
He likes that, Dad.
What's that, buddy?
Tay, ko na day kay dakor ba kay dakor ba ni day? Ato day eh. Tuna kanto na.
Get in there, Maria. Whoa! Whoa!
Dad, I think we can decorating this to one car, Dad, for four. Dari Jun. Dakor eh kay dia tanawa.
What is it, ladies?
Human size? Oh, human size.
Human size.
Yeah, teddy bear.
Oh, it's a big teddy bear, huh?
Uh-huh. Hala. And the other side. Oh, Lord.
My goodness! Oh no, look how big that thing is! Wow! My goodness!
Ala, pwede naman maunlaran. Wow. Nakubog siya eh. Ako ani ha. Mami ba? Uy, lagaro na. Kisa ka na send ani.
That's a big teddy bear, huh? Give him a big hug, Maria. Give him a big bear hug, Maria.
Taraw ka? You can carry it? I can roll it. Ay, bunga nga din siya. Go for it! Go for it! Say thank you, Maria. Who sent that one, Maria? Say thank you. Wala, di mo rin. Ay, ari. Yeah. Dad, the mouth can open, Dad. Say thank you for sending this one. Thank you. Thank you for sending this.
Okay, ladies, let's say thanks.
Thank you. Thank you who sent this. I love you, little bear.
What are you gonna name the bear?
I don't know. Uy, asa na yung baby? This is the Papa Bear. I have two babies. Single dad. Twins wala sila. Oh. Mommy, can I keep this? This is mine now. Oy, you have Papa
single dad. Ay.
Mommy, can I keep this big bear?
Oh, this is ours now.
Wait a minute, you're calling this bear a single dad?
Yeah.
Because he got a son and a daughter?
Yeah.
Alright, that's single dad bear.
Baba rin na, wala.
Hey, get out of here, Ferris! Get out, please!
Di siya ganahan, anak.
Yeah, set him up so we
Sige,
can see
Maria.
his face.
Wala na, unsa man nagdiri. Ay, bulag. Excuse lang.
Forest!
What is Forest? Forest, what happened in here, Forest? Diyan, dali.
Guyod na niya, oh.
Here on.
Arong mayab-yab niya tanan yung suod.
Pupug man na yung talibet. He drunk.
Alright, put
Oy, like you drunk. Single dad. Ate, don't be drunk. Katupikas day. Ay, nabaliktad nga na ka, Maria. Rin ko na. Ay, sorry. He's drunk lagi.
Mommy, I like to keep it.
He's drunk, Bargitas.
No?
Kuwang mo na siya si Kuwang.
Mommy, that's heavy for me.
He's not drunk, he's just stressed out because he's got 3 Filipinos
Kaya
and 4 kids.
Drunk na po. Ang duhasan nakatog. Kuha na, dahil Jerry. Kaop na dahil. The other one, Maria.
Uy,
The other one also. Ang sa ikaw, right? Gilablab na sa deliver kay Pink para man yung gibutang. Nana, Bibi, single dad. Ay, katulog ko lang. Nailay, patog. Nailala ganito.
Alam mo kung na-speedyo.
Naupag si Red Horse.
I put the ball for playing.
Give single dad bear a break. He just left Fiesta.
Pino mo na kung siya. Yun na si Corres at si Marie.
I don't use
Isa ka lang sa dala.
Huh?
Where's the milk cow?
Oh,
So,
He asleep.
Daddy, where's the mama bear?
katuga na.
Where's the mama bear?
She ran away.
Ano, nagkuhat ko.
That's why a single dad bear's been drinking a little.
Oy, nga naman. Kagupot naman na ni Diri. Oy! Ay, nga daw ito ni Andres ka ng sibo niya. Siya dito. Oh! Puta naman na. Ora. Single dad, you need to clean, oy! The toys of your kids! Ang puta na ito ang young baby. Paano ba ito? Hubog na ba ito? Gilapi lang.
Hey, where's the grandkids? Where them donkeys at?
Donkey.
Them cows.
I don't know.
Abuli, anak. Labhan.
Mo, sad lang yun ka. Yun lang unta na hikubin nila sa igba, oh. Para nila lang ako.
Yo,
What, Maria?
happy Father's Day, bear.
Happy Father's Day, bear.
I'm sorry, cows.
Mother's Day man
Night, cows.
ka.
Night, cows.
Did you know who sent this? Markitas?
I don't know.
The kuya.
The kuya. Yapo na.
Single papa bear, huh?
Good night, Papa Bear. See you tomorrow. Yeah. And you're heavy too. Come on, Papa Bear, you're heavy.
Because he's drunk. Kanawa kong
Papa
selo.
bear is not drunk.
He's drunk, oh, loko. He doesn't care. Oy, Jen, para ko na konti.
Oh, this is cool and comfortable.
Huh? Nabi maghagok.
That's 0, 0, 0, 911, 911.
Uy, help si ate pinag-konti siya mga konti. Mga doon, ibutan sa bag. Come on. Ako na sa...
Si Mama ba? Kanina mo, you take her this. And when he said,
Kawa ko, ha? Hindi siya ganon ka ng tiyan niya, no? Ang tiyan.
covering your face.
Ay, kalamay naman ani eh. Napay, unanan, napay saya, kuha na sa tiyan, napay, iha, kuhanan, kompleto na, this is complete na.
We finally found a man that'll never leave me, Fatima.
Yan. Forest G, tara Forest G. Nakapatong yun. Are you comfortable, Forest? Yeah.
Sa kayante ko ba? Ow.
Oh,
Maliguro man ka. Kumayo na ka.
This is the same height. He's 51 like you too.
single Papa Bear is 51?
Like you.
Oh, Maria. See your dad because the baby bear have a 2 kids and dad have a 2 kids too. Girl and boy. And Dara.
Mommy, excuse me.
I'm comfortable na.
Mommy. Here, Mommy.
Yeah, share Fatima.
I'm comfortable.
Mommy, share. Mommy, share.
Careful, Maria. You can't move her.
Mommy, excuse me. Daddy, Mommy don't like to share me.
Hello, I just lie down in there a few minutes ago eh.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy's in sleep mode. You can't change her. You can't move her.